Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to expand all or how to expand the selection overall in your Visual Studio Code. First of all guys, I highly suggest you, if you don't have Visual Studio Code, to install it because it is a merge of multiple languages. As you can see here, you have Python, C++, C++, C Sharp, you have HTML, you have Vector, vscode, JavaScript, and debugger for Chrome, and the list is unlimited guys. So first of all, in order for you to download it, just go ahead and open any kind of browsers and then go to the URL section and write code.visualstudio.com, and just like so this website will be open for you. Click on download for Windows, and then you will be installing it on your PC. Create after that a new account in the software, and you will be ready to go. So now how we can actually expand all selection in Visual Studio. Now let's say that we have a long test, so let me just grab a text from here, text. So I will need a text example. We can grab it from Wikipedia, for example, and let me just copy it like that. Now let me just remove this and let me show you how to actually expand selection only with your keyboard. First of all, let's go over here and select, for example, this. So how you can do it, you can click on Ctrl and L. Now this is a quick way to actually select it, but let me just go back, and it is gonna be so long. So how we can do it, Control Shift L, and basically what it does is it will just like copy or select one word. If we did it again, it will not change anything. So if we did like, for example, like without the shift, you will see that this selection will be extended. So there is another way, which is clicking on Ctrl A, and that will expand also the selection. And the other thing, which is just going to a long word like so, and click on Ctrl L, and it will be selected all. So yeah guys, that's how you can expand all in Visual Studio. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any other questions, please leave them in down below, and thank you guys for watching.